The Mossberg 590 Shockwave FDE is a compact and versatile firearm designed for home defense and tactical applications. Here are the key specifications. Gauge, 12. Capacity, 5+1. Barrel length, 14.375 inches. Overall length, 26.37 inches. Weight, 5.75 pounds. Finish, FDE Cerakote. Sights, bead front sight. Stock, Raptor grip. Action, pump. Chamber, 3 inches. Safety, ambidextrous top mounted. This firearm combines the reliability of the Mossberg 590 series with the compactness of a short-barreled shotgun, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces. The FDE Cerakote finish provides enhanced durability and a tactical appearance. Note that due to its configuration, it is classified as a firearm under U.S. federal law, not as a shotgun or a pistol.